Woof, woof, woof. I'm hungry. I want to eat some bones. Huh?
Don't eat me.
What? What? Oh, no. You bones talk. Why can't I eat you? What's your name? Should I name you Boney and Tony, maybe?
Okay.
Okay, hello, Boney and Tony.
Hi.
Hi. Let's play. What you want to play?
I want to play hide and seek.
Oh, okay. You hide first.
And me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready now? Here I come. Oh, where they at?
She can never find me. Na 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 na.
Maybe under the plate.
You just found me.
No, I did. Where you at?
Uh-huh.
I found you. I did. Oh,
And you found me.
And I found you. Oh, that was so fun.
Your turn now.
Okay, you count.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh.
Aha, you found me. Good job.
My turn.
Okay.
Count to 100.
100. Okay, by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Ready now? Here come. I got you. I found you. Yay, that was fun. Let's play. Let's sing some ABC songs. Like that. Oh, that's so funny. Oh, now my turn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yeah. What you guys doing? A sliding?
Yes.
I want to do it too.
Wow, I fell down.
Oh,
I'm
no.
coming up. I want to.
Ooh.
Don't eat me.
I'm not gonna eat you. I'm sorry, but actually, I forgot that you guys, my friend, you talk, and I cannot eat you. I like eating bones, but not you guys. You're my friend. You talk. That's kind of weird. This must be a dream.
It's not a dream. You're not in bed.
Oh,
We're not
no.
even in bed. Ow. Wee.
This sounds like a story. This looks like a story. The Ernie Donut story. Have you read that before? Ernie the Donut?
No.
The man bought the donuts and wanted to eat the donuts. And the donuts got scared. So, what are you doing? And he said, oh, I eat donuts. That's what I do. And the donut said, what?
No.
That was a funny story.
Let's hide from the view. Do-do-do-do-do.
What are you doing there hiding there? You're so silly.
Let's play hide and seek.
Again?
Yes.
Okay. Don't make it hard for me to find you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here we go. Nope. Nope. I found you. You're in there. That was a good hiding spot.
Okay, you got me. You got it. I read the door. I knew gonna
I got some Play-Dohs. You want to play Play-Dohs?
Yes, I do.
Look, I made this Play-Doh. It's cheaper for like a ball. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. Oh yeah, I read this. I like it. Ooh, what about this? You made this?
Yes, I made this too.
What about this?
Like cookies, yes.
And what about this? And what about this?
You see how much we did? Oh, this not Play-Doh. Funny.
What about this?
And this one too.
Let me bring the whole.
So, do you like what I did with the Play-Dohs?
Yes. Let's make
It's
something
fun.
else with the Play-Dohs.
It's so fun. Okay.
I'm gonna make this, and I'm gonna make this.
Okay.
Side.
Okay. Are you guys done doing Play-Doh? Playing with
Yes.
Play-Doh? Let me see what you did. Can I see? Can I see? You did one exactly like the one I did. Wow, that is amazing. Good job.
And here we go.
Good job. Exactly what I did. Good job.
And this.
Isn't that fun?
And
Play-Doh.
this.
Oh, wow.
And this.
That's amazing.
And
You
this.
guys are good with Play-Doh.
And this.
Nice. Oh, some piece.
And this.
No. What does that Play-Doh, silly?
The end. I have a question. Which Play-Doh was the cake? And which Play-Doh was the flower? And which bone was the one that she tried to eat? The end. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Oops.